Which ocean is this one? Is it a Russian?
We didn't put it in the sprint to mi mando. But yeah, we just made a halfway point. Yeah, we stopped by a little gas station. Yeah, we was using the bathroom, getting something to eat and shit like that. And yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. And then we're gonna hop back on the road to Cape Agulhas, man. So hopefully y'all stay tuned. There's a lot of stuff around here. I'm gonna explain it to y'all. And yeah. I'm gonna catch y'all back on the road to Cape Agulhas. We're gonna get something to eat, and then yeah, y'all finna come with me, man. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all later, man. Alright, so this is one of the places that actually surprised me, because this is one of the neighborhoods by the beach by Cape Agulhas. Like 99% of these houses have no gates, no fences, nothing. So this can just tell you that this neighborhood is already safe and secure. And on top of that, there is a beach. You wake up to a nice, beautiful view of the beach. Who would not buy this as a retirement house? Like, this is such a dream house. And it's 2 stories. You can see the house are 2 stories. This is such a beautiful neighborhood. And if I had the money, I would dead ass like buy a house here. But anyways, yeah, back to the video. Just reached what's this called, Cape Agulha. Right now we're on a walking path. I think the walking path is to see where like the 2 oceans separate, but I'm not too sure. But I'm gonna let y'all know there. Right now we're just going there. And afterwards we're gonna go to the lighthouse. Lighthouse is up top. Up top we're gonna properly see where the 2 oceans meet. I think that's what you do it. And just and then afterwards probably gonna go eat. Oh yeah, that's a surprise, man. The surprise is us coming to Cape Agulhas. So yeah, y'all just come on this journey with me, and we're gonna have some fun, y'all. So yeah. And here you go, the tip of Africa. I'm gonna take y'all around it. Yeah, it's a pretty. They said it was a landmark. My bad. Yeah, I think that's better. But yeah, this is a landmark of the tip of Africa. It's pretty cool because like it's the shape of Africa. Some water on it, because I think the currents reached here. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I'm gonna try to get y'all like a over like view. Hold on, let me try doing this. Hold on, chat. I'm cooking. Wait. Alright, I don't know if y'all could see that. My brightness is pretty low. Alright, but yeah, that's pretty much the tip of Africa. Cool landmark. This little bird chilling. Damn, man, you got a good view. Let me show you. Hold on. Shit. Nigga living in style. Okay, I see you, birdie. Alright, we're on the path walk to, if y'all can see, the lighthouse. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, we're on the walk. That's where you guys can get a better view of the two oceans. Yeah, know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all that. Yeah. God damn. Just made it up the what do you call it? The lighthouse. Bro, it's like steep, but it's also high. Look where we at. Yo, if my phone falls, on God, I'm gonna cry. But yeah, this is how up we are. You can see the ocean. You can see over there the two oceans meet. Obviously with the color change. Oh damn! Wait, hold on. There's steps. Wait. Let me go up these steps real quick. Looks like it's locked. Yeah, look at this view, man. Goodness gracious. Should I go up these steps? Hold on. Let's see. Now from up here, it's even more crazy. Like there's an indoor lighthouse thing. Hey chat, we on top of the world. I gotta stop saying chat. We on top of the world, y'all. World, my bad. Yo, my English. Bro, we on top of the lighthouse. Is crazy. The view is insane. I'm jacking it. Like, look at this view, mud. It's tough. Nah, but it's a lighthouse, man. I'm gonna catch y'all.
Nah, stupid.
Yo,
Stupid, let go, dog.
Yo, okay.
Is that what it is?
It's a light.
But yeah, it's the lighthouse, you know what I'm saying? Little calm vibe. It's tough out here for real. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. Next location, I'll let y'all know. But alright. God damn, boy, this shit's steeper than a motherfucker.
Bro, what? What is he even saying?
It's y'all steep as hell. I'm damn near scared to get down. Goodness gracious. I know y'all saw that.
Yeah, bro, that. Come here, shit, bro. Take that shit off, dog. Swear. What you doing? What you doing? Take me off, bro. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. At the end of the day, I'm a man.
What's good, y'all? We just pulled up to get something to eat. As y'all can see, we came to, I don't know if y'all can see, but Seagulls Pub and Grill. Yeah. Anybody that wants to come to Cape Town can just come out and try this. But yeah, we're gonna grab something to eat and enjoy ourselves, have fun. We're on the rooftop, so you can see the view of the ocean that's on the rooftop, you know. And then the lighthouse is, hold on, wait, give me a minute. Where's the lighthouse? It's my bad, chat. The lighthouse is somewhere behind, if y'all can see. Yeah, it's right there. We were just there. Yeah. So yeah, we're just gonna grab something to eat, and then yeah, I'll let y'all know what's next.
I used to believe we were burning on the edge of something beautiful, selling a dream.
Oh man, just finished eating, man. It was a nice little experience. I won't lie to you guys. A nice little experience. We got to saw the two oceans meet, went to the lighthouse, came to grab something to eat. It was a cool vlog day. I won't lie to you guys. Oh shit. But yeah. Um, so yeah, that's basically everything we did today. I'm gonna meet y'all back at the house. You know, still got like a 2-3 hour drive. It's not too much, but yeah. But I'm gonna catch y'all at the house, man. Oh man, back from Cape of Good is low-key a little bit tiring, but fun as well. Cape Town, it's a learning experience as well as a fun experience because you get to do a lot of fun activities and get to learn about Africa, you know. Most of the portrait in the United States is, oh, Africa's bad, oh, Africa's dirty, oh, Africa this, Africa that. But just come and see it for yourself. It's actually pretty beautiful, man. I won't lie. There's some good parts, there's some bad parts. You guys need to see the bright side of it, man. But yeah, it's pretty fun. Yeah, just learning more things about Africa and how it was colonized. Like I showed y'all last time I went to the museum, a lot of writings and a lot of things you can actually learn from there. So, but yeah, yeah, I'm gonna crash now. It's nighttime, tired, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. So.